supervisor, we are going to be testing out this right here. This is the 40 volt HP trimmer, or hedger, if you would. It says that it's, I don't know, up to 1 inch of cutting capacity, and it's the equivalent of a 21cc gash hedge trimmer. Now, it is 26 inches. Let's open it up. I'm going to take you along because I have a lot of work to do, and I've been neglecting a lot of trimming over the past I don't know, 5 years. And I know that sounds terrible, but I have the expanded hedge trimmer and it's just not getting the work done. So I'm going to see if this is going to be better. Now, the blades looked a lot more solid. Was not cheap. I could only find in the store the battery combo, so you know, it is what it is. But this is it right here. Let me just show you. What does that look like? It's pretty cool. You can switch it, like if you pull this here, you can actually move that all the way around just like that. So if you need to do like some cool cutting this way, it's fine. Ergonomics. This handle right here, anywhere you pull, it's an anywhere you pull handle. So here, and then you're good to go. And let me show you the blades. This is why I bought it, and I didn't want to buy the non-HP version for this one reason. We'll put the sweep on it in just a moment. Look how big that is. It's 1 inch cutting capacity, but even more than that, if you take a look, it is a better steel. It's going to be more resilient. I think it's more stainless steel, but it is pretty robust. So let's put this on. All right, so we're on. We have the hedge sweep. Yeah, this thing looks awesome. And it does come with a 2 amp hour battery, but I'm going to be using this 8 amp hour lithium Edge battery, high performance battery. This is an HP tool. I don't see any extra tabs that I would need to use, but I had this readily available, and it's a pretty bad to the bone battery. So let's just see what it sounds like. Pull the handle, pull this handle. Ooh, I'm excited. Let's go get cutting. All right, so I'm gonna try and cut all these down. Should be simple work, but let's give it a shot. Okay, that was amazing. That was actually amazing. And usually with something that's larger, I would have to get, you know, like clippers or something like that, and this just got it through. That was absolutely incredible. But I want to put it to the test, right? If I'm going to put it to the test, one of the things that I want to do is find a stronger tree, kind of like a tree or bush. If I destroy it, it's going to be hard on the old wallet and hard on the old pride. However, I think you deserve it. Let's go to something that maybe will put it to the maximum test. Okay, so I've got this bush going to my house. I don't know, honestly, I don't know what it is, but it's starting to rain. I'm gonna try to trim it up. We'll see how far we can get. It's almost like a tree. I don't know, it's weird. All right, let's go. look at this. That's big. This is tough stuff. Let me see if I can cut that. Here we go. Whoa. That's crazy strong. Let's keep going. All right, everybody, so that's it. I actually did have a set of granite stairs going up to my house from 1794. So a lot of these things have probably been here for many, many, many years from past residents. However, all I have to say is this right here, it did amazing. Now, feeling the blades, they're still super, super sharp. So that's about it. I hope that you all enjoyed this actual demonstration with a 40 volt HP Hedge trimmer. This thing is amazing and it made my life so much easier. I would have been doing this all day long if I didn't have something like this. A little chainsaw is not going to work. You have to use a little loppers, but this did the job. My name is Brent. This has been None the Wiser. Can't wait to see you all in the next video. Get out there and get some landscaping done. It's warm and beautiful. Take care.
Where are you headed? Carry me back to Tennessee. Oh, I got a little girl who's been waiting. Promised that she'd marry me. Mr.